So the three techniques we're using out here on these clear bodies of water to catch giant walleyes. Number one is going to be a jig and a plastic combo. What I'm going to do is target weed walleyes with the jig and plastic because it only has a single hook. For sure you're going to want to use around weeds. As far as the line goes on these, 10-pound braid and something probably an 8 or 10-pound fluorocarbon leader, but the key with the leader is to keep it long. We're in super clear water. I usually tie them 8 to 10 feet long so the fish aren't line shy, and you can catch more of them with that. As we progress off into the deeper water and the gravel bars and points and the boulder piles, that kind of thing, we immediately switch to some type of glide bait like a shiver minnow. Or the key is to get the school fired up. These fish are not all aggressive. Summertime haunts, they just kind of hang out and do their thing, but once you get one fish to commit, you can get the whole school fired up with a shiver minnow. Now if that doesn't work for you, we do what we did today. You just get into that school that doesn't want to eat. That's the time to go old school. We just tie on a little 1/4 ounce, maybe 3/16 ounce black jig head, keeping a natural color. Tip it with a leech or crawler, and now it's just basically find that fish with forward facing sonar, let it sink down nice and slow right in his face. He follows it to the bottom. We slowly pull it across the bottom. So those are the three setups we use today to catch all these walleyes, and it's really all you need to catch them in the summertime.